The owners of fossil fuel energy resources have a secret. They don't want us to know that the world now makes twice as much solar electricity as it did just 3 years ago. Solar and wind have become the cheapest way to make electricity all over the planet. In 2024, more than 90% of the planet's new electricity came from renewables. In the US, it was 96%. They must be worried to realize that by April 2025, burning gas and coal was making less than half of all American electricity. Despite this new energy landscape, in July 2025, Georgia's Public Service Commission unanimously approved a plan to get new electricity mostly from gas. Gas turbines are expensive and currently in such short supply that Georgia will turn to an even more expensive source, keeping old coal-burning plants running to meet projected electricity needs. We ratepayers will keep paying for more gas and coal year after year after year. But solar is now the cheapest electricity, and Georgia factories are among those turning out panels. There is no fuel cost ever because sunlight is free. So far, big-scale solar in Georgia has covered acres of cheap land far from cities. This requires miles of transmission lines that can increase cost and wait times for connections. But here, unseen by thousands of commuters driving by Emory University, and through the rest of this video, we discover the acreage right where power is used. In 2020, Emory contracted with Cherry Street Energy to provide solar electricity from atop several Emory parking decks and buildings. The 3/4-acre canopy they installed on Fishburne parking deck pours out 500,000 watts when air conditioners are driving peak electricity demand. The 689,000 kilowatt hours it makes each year is enough to power at least 35 homes. Overall, Emory hosts 4.8 acres of panels, enough to power at least 234 homes. As we demonstrate over the next minute, the place to add today's solar technology and bring down power rates is here, where power is used, and the time is now.
Don't let your mind get weary and confused. Your will is still, don't try. Don't let your heart get heavy, child inside you. There's a strength that lies.
At more than 1,350 acres, the panels of what could be called the Six Flags Solar Power Plant would have more than a gigawatt of rated capacity. Poke around with satellite view to find big roof businesses all over Georgia, many clustered near greatest power usage. Why wouldn't businesses line up to solarize their roofs with the incentives of lower power bills and potential new income? Besides lowering electricity costs, this better power plan would create jobs at Georgia factories that already turn out several gigawatts of panels per year. Georgia also is emerging as a producer of batteries, which are getting cheaper almost as fast as solar panels and can moderate the flow of solar energy into the electricity grid. After voting for solar opportunity for all Georgians, let's head somewhere to celebrate.
Don't lose your faith in me, and I will try not to lose faith in you. Don't put your trust in walls, 'cause walls will only crush you when they fall. When they fall.
Your ballot lets you vote for 2 public service commissioners in the November 4th election. Early voting is on now and ends October 31st. Check the 4 candidate websites to gauge their interest in solar.